What is up guys, in this video I will share with you how to make $100 per day on YouTube with just 1000 views, and it is the minimum amount you can make. And also I will be sharing with you one secret on how you can get 1000 views very easily, because I will be sharing with you guys the secret on how you can how the big YouTubers are getting a ton of subscribers in the initial stage, how they are getting 5000 subscribers or even more in their first month. Okay, and I will be sharing with you a lot more things, so be sure to stay with me. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now guys, what I'm going to be share with you, first of all, how you can make $100 per day with 1000 views. You might be thinking that this seems to be unrealistic or something like that, but this seems to be very realistic guys, very realistic, because I will be sharing with you exact thing on how easy it is to make $100 per day with just 1000 views. So let's say guys, you are going to get 1000 views on your YouTube video, and now you are going to promote a $100 product. Okay, $100 product. So you just need one sale, that's it, and out of 1000 at least one can buy. Okay, and literally there are lots of products, so there is just 1%. It's not just 1%, it's just 0.1% guys. It's 0.1% conversion, and literally you can easily get 1% conversion on any of the product. Okay, on any of the product you can get 1% conversion. That is the bare minimum, I think guys, bare minimum. Okay, so let's say, okay, forget about the 1000 views, although I will be sharing with you 1000 views secret, how you can get 1000 views per day. But let's say you are just going to get 100 views, and with just 100 views you can easily make at least one sale. So with 100 views you can make $100. What's bad in that? And still, if you think it's too much, we can also take it over here, $200, making about $100 with just 200 views. That's really the killing thing. Okay, and I will be sharing with you how you can drive a ton of views. First of all, the first thing on how you can drive a lots of views on your YouTube channel. When I was searching on the YouTube, literally I found a channel. Over here you can see I searched for the weight loss. I was just searching over here, and look at this, how I lost 30 kgs in 3 months weight loss journey. My full 90 day 900 my full day 900 calorie diet plan. Look at this. This video is uploaded 2 weeks ago, and this video has over 648,000 views and 38,000 subscribers. And guys, I'm pretty much sure that about 15 to 20,000 subscribers has been driven from alone this video, because on an average if you want 10,000 subscribers you need 4 lakh views. That's what the average on the YouTube is, as I've calculated. Okay, so on that basis this single video has driven over 15 to 20,000 subscribers, or maybe even more, because let's say in these 2 weeks there are 14 plus days, because YouTube is not going to tell the 3 weeks till all of the 3 weeks are completed. That means even if the 20 days are passed but 21 days is not passed, YouTube will still say it's 2 weeks ago. Okay, so maybe 20 days have been passed, and in the 20 days maybe they have uploaded the 20 videos, or maybe they have just uploaded 10 videos, 5 videos, but the 5 videos, 10 videos they have uploaded, they are also going to drive the views. Why? Because this video has given them the channel authority, and the subscribers, viewers who are going to watch this video, if they are going to watch those videos as well and will subscribe more likely. Plus the people, if they are only going to come on the channel for this video, they may not subscribe. But if they are going to see a lot more content even on daily basis, then they are definitely going to subscribe. And plus they will also start getting ranking on the YouTube in the search results, just because the channel is getting authority, the channel videos really piling up, it's really getting up and up. And look at this, searching, coming in the first place for the search rank within just 2 weeks for the weight loss is really going to matter a lot. Look at this, just learn from this video how I lost 30 kgs in 3 months. First of all, there is no fluff, no bluff. People are saying like I lost 30 kg in just 1 month, in just 1 week. So there is no fluff, no bluff. And over here, they are going to give their journey. They are just documenting their journey. They are not just lying. They are documenting their journey. And over here, you can see my full day 900 calorie. So they are sharing their plan. So they are pretty much very honest and they are giving a lot of value. Okay, look at this, how amazing its thumbnail, before and after. And over here as well, I lost 30 kgs. How amazing, they have done everything nicely. A full curiosity in the title, full curiosity in the thumbnail as well, and it's so much eye-catching that everybody is going to click, whosoever is going to see that. So this is what you need to do. You need to prepare with everything, and literally guys, you are not going to get the results with just one video. You may need to publish 10 video, you may need to publish 20 video, but one thing this channel has showed, that this video is in trending. Okay, how amazing that video has been created. Maybe the video is not kind of trending, the topic is not in trending, but they have created it in such a way that they have made it trending. That's the power you need to do. Maybe yeah, now I will share with you how you can drive the first views, because you may not get these many views just because YouTube do not provide do not just keep on help others when they are just beginning. Okay, but if you are going to provide some kind of content from first and driving some views from outside, then definitely YouTube is going to help you. So now how you can get your first 1000 views, and literally is going to be super easy guys. Getting 1000 views is not a big deal, really. Okay, so for the 1000 views, I will be sharing with you one super tactic. Over here, you just need to search on the Google for example, if you are in the niche of weight loss, just search for the weight loss on the Google. For example, I have searched for the weight loss forums, and look at this, new moms. There are tons and tons of forums on the Google over here. Thousands of forums are there. So what you need to do, you need to visit these forums guys. Their forum is the best way to drive the traffic if you can. Okay, you need to do the things in the right way, but if you fail to do, you will be banned. But if you are going to do this in the right way, within just 30 days you can build a 5,000 plus subscriber base. That's the power of the forum. And really, it's the best traffic, and it is the best underutilized traffic. Everybody is running behind the Facebook, YouTube and Instagram, but nobody is caring about the forum. And literally guys, on the Instagram there will be tons of communities like clothes, make money online, weight loss. Thousands of communities are there, but on the weight loss forum you are only going to find the guys who are totally related to weight loss. So this is what you need to remember. Okay, just join about, what I suggest you join about 30 plus forums. Join about 30 plus forums, start providing them value. Whosoever is going to ask any question, be the first one to answer them. You cannot answer the 24 hours, but whenever it's time, just give the answer. Try to stay on the top. If the questions are in the list, try to stay on the top questions. Just start giving them value, give a lot of answers. And in the most of the forums, you have the kind of signature. You can pay about $5 maybe, and they are going to let you place the signature, and in the signature you can drive the views to your YouTube channel. Okay, so that's what you need to do. And there are thousands of methods from driving traffic from the forum, and literally it's one of the best way guys. It's one of the free method and the best method I have ever seen in my life. Okay, and literally guys, so what you need to do, you need to provide the value and make it so catching that you have uploaded a ton of videos on your channel, maybe just about 5 to 10 videos, but pick out the best video with a catchy thumbnail, catchy headline. The headline should be catchy, and pick up that headline, pick up that title, and use this title as the signature in your in your signature. Use the catchy title. Okay, the title should grab the attention. So whenever someone is going to see that this guy is giving me answer, he should click. He must click. The title should be so much catchy. Okay, keep on trying different titles. Like you can prepare about 5 to 10 titles, and in all of the 30 forums, try to use different titles. So whoever is going to work the better, try using that. And in this way, when you are going to place the signature, and in many of the forums you can share the video link for free as well. You do not even need to pay for that. Okay, but literally you just, if you do not have a lot of money, at least spend $5 to $10 for the forum. Okay, and also guys, a lot of forums you can also give a big answer, provide a valuable answer, and then you can leave a valuable link and tell them that this is a video that you can watch for more stuff. but make sure that the video is related to the answer, then nobody is going to ban you. But if the video is not related to the answer, they may ban you, they may not ban you. Okay, so this is the catch, guys, because the answer is not only be seen by the guy who have questioned, but it will be seen by thousands of members, and at least on the groups you can at least find 10,000 plus members. If at least, guys, if at least out of 10,000 members only 100 are going to click on that, only 100 are going to, because guys, all of them are super dedicated, only then they have joined the forum, only then. That's what you need to remember. And you are going to join about 30 forums, so that's about 3,000 clicks. So let's say it's just 30 clicks to your link on just one forum, that's about 1,000 clicks, and that's about 1,000 views. And then you can easily get about, because on the forum the community is strictly related to the weight loss or any of your niche, so that means at least, although the subscriber rate is about 1%, 2%, but on the forum you can easily get about 10% subscriber rate, at least 10% subscriber rate. So that means you are also going to get 100 subscribers a day, and after 1 or 2 months you can even leave this forum tactic, just keep on providing good content, because you have built the subscriber base, and that's what you need to do. It seems to be so easy, and it is really easy, but one thing, be consistent. Be consistent. Provide about 15 to 30 minutes or even 1 hour, just 1 or 2 months on the forum. Just do this for 30 days non-stop, 60 days non-stop. You will start getting results. And even one of the best way to find the forum is on the Facebook group as well. On the Facebook groups are also kind of forums. In one way you can call them as a forum, and on the Facebook group you can easily find the members groups which are having 100,000 members. 100,000 members is not a big deal on the Facebook. Okay, 100,000 members, and out of 100,000 members, can you drive about 500 clicks? That's, guys, it's super cheap. It's super cheap. You need to provide the value for some weeks, providing content, and that's what I can think. Okay, and I also really think that I have provided a lot of value. So if you like this video, smash the like button, and if you think that I can provide you more value, check out the link in the description, because there I will teach you how you can utilize the 4 free traffic sources and can make your first $100 per day within just 30 days. And bye tata for now, and I will see you in the training. So make sure you have fun and all that things, and I will see you in the training. Bye bye, guys.